Evening viewers, what a wonderful piano player that guy is. I've got a longer video with him doing a full song, doesn't sing, original music on the piano, under the lights in the Royal Mile in Edinburgh. Check it out, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. You can watch this guy for a couple of minutes, it's absolutely brilliant. There's quite a wee crowd there earlier on. A lot of people going up and giving him donations. He's a wee suitcase full of money. Quite right, he deserved it. Absolutely wonderful. So we're on the Royal Mile, as you've guessed. Let's take a wee walk down to Princess Street maybe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Where have you been? You've been missing all these Scotland walks. My name's Kevin. I do mostly walks, and mostly in Scotland and some other places now and again, but mostly Scotland. So if you're interested in seeing a wee bit more of Scotland, we've got some scenic walks, we've got some walks through city centres, something for everyone. Edinburgh's my favourite walks because the buildings are so nice and every street you go in can tell a story, they've got history. But we've got videos in Glasgow, Ayrshire, Loch Lomond, the Highlands, all over the place. So all you have to do is hit the wee button below the video, it says subscribe, and hit the wee bell for all notifications. You'll get a wee message when I upload new videos. Let's go down Coburn Street. We've got the Scotsman Lounge on the right hand side. That specialises in live music. It looks quite busy tonight. They've got some outside seating, but it's getting a bit chilly. It's nearly 10 o'clock at night. Yeah, so they've got live music on just now. Good to see it back. Kind of famous for its live music, Scotsman. It's good to see it back. Pop in there another time. Nice restaurant here, recommend Scran, good for breakfast. I think it's shut for the evening. Hope you're enjoying the evening walks, let me know. Do you like evening walks? I prefer the daytime ones. More people about during the day. Evening ones are a wee bit different. Different vibe. A few Italian restaurants here that are quite popular. Tourist shops, we love Scotland. Do me a wee favour if you're watching the video and you're enjoying it. Maybe a wee trip down memory lane if you're from Edinburgh, you moved away from Scotland. Or if you visit the festival and you missed it this year. Hopefully we're back soon. But do me a wee favour, hit the thumbs up. The like button on YouTube just helps push it out, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not already joined the channel. The good news is, it does not cost a penny. Let me know where your favourite walks are in Scotland, anywhere that you'd like me to visit. Might pass by one day, take a wee video. Check out the playlists on the channel, all different areas there, might be something that interests you. Quite a lot of these restaurants are just taking the seating away. Usually up to about 10 o'clock they've got outside seating. In Scotland by then it usually gets too chilly to sit out, but it's not too bad tonight. We've got windy. There's a malt shovel. A few people in, not that busy tonight. Just going to come on to Market Street here. We might not go as far as Princess Street, we'll do another video. Princess Street Gardens up on the left. Remember I said about every street you go in Edinburgh there's a nice building. Check it out. Okay, so straight ahead that's Princess Street. Up on the right is Waverley train station. Just getting your bearings if you're coming to Edinburgh for the first time. We've got the Motel 1 hotel right in the corner here, good location. This is Market Street, so it's in between Princess Street and the Royal Mile really. You've got the Edinburgh Dungeons just down there. Further down you've got the Premier Inn Hub, the Jury's Inn Hotel. They're all good locations for hotels. If you're coming here and you're booked in any of those hotels, you made a good choice, I think. And not far from here you've got a couple of shopping centres. You've got a brand new one that's just opened up, St James's Quarter. I've got a video on the channel, check that out as well. Cost £1 billion to build. A lot of high-end designer shops in there. Let's take a wee walk onto Princess Street. So information over there for the trams and the buses, Lothian buses. It's open obviously during the day, it's not open at night obviously. So head in there if you want any information. Trams run from the airport, so if you're flying in from another country and you're watching this video, you can jump the tram. It's very, very cheap. I think it's about £1.70 one way. It's not that fast the tram, but it takes about half an hour, 25 minutes maybe, to get to Princess Street from the airport. So it's not that fast, but it's a good service. You probably don't want to consider driving, hiring a car here if you're staying in the city centre. It's a nightmare to get parked. It's going to cost you a wee bit every day as well, to say the least. Edinburgh wasn't designed really for parking when it was built many, many years ago. It was not designed really for cars. Nice to see the buildings at night lit up. There's the Witherspoons, the booking office on the right hand side. It's very, very popular during the day this, you'll find it busy. From 10 o'clock in the morning, people getting breakfast. Scotsman Monument. It's quite busy inside actually. Not many people sitting outside, but quite busy inside. So that's the Witherspoons. On one side of Princess Street, you'll probably know this, there's lots of shops. On the other side there's not really any shops, apart from the Waverley Mall that's on the right hand side. Here's a wee shopping centre inside the train station. All the shops are on the other side of the road. You get a wee sneak peek at the castle in the distance, the side of it. I've got other videos walking up to Edinburgh Castle in the evening and the daytimes, so check them out on the channel. There's the Waverley Mall I was telling you about on the right hand side. I think I've got a short video going through there, but the security is quite strict. I always stop you filming in there. This brings us out onto Princess Street. You've got the old Waverley Hotel just across the road, a very old building, been there for many, many years. It's a prime location. Can be quite busy, mind you. So, if we go left here, viewers, we will go all the way down the end of Princess Street and Haymarket train stations, maybe about 15-20 minute walk away, maybe 15 if you're a fast walker. And if we go right up here, that'll take us up to Waterloo Place, down to Leith Walk. If we go left, we go up to the top here as well. So I hope you've enjoyed the evening walk in Edinburgh. Don't forget to subscribe. Give it a wee thumbs up. See you in the next video.